Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my space again, and today we are using the Ankara material to tie this head wrap. You can actually use another material if you have, and use it to tie this simple style. So get ready and let's get started. Get your rubber band. We need rubber band, yes. So if you want to tie simple head wrap, you need rubber band. Get them ready, okay guys? So before I start with my explanation, if you haven't followed for head wrap tutorials, kindly hit the follow button and follow for more head wrap tutorials. Simple ones, trust me, they are very simple to achieve, to do it yourself. So hit the follow button, do well to share and like, okay? So guys, you grab the material, you see the way I've held it. So hold yours like that and pleat it in as seen in the video. Guys, just concentrate, don't mind this my talk or a hair. Concentrate and see what I'm doing. So you see how I held it, how I made the pleat, how I placed it on my head, and you see how I grab the excess. So grab the excess as well, like that. You see that elastic band you used to grab that pleat, raise it up and dip the excess into it. Yeah, just raise it up and dip the excess into it, guys. Stay focused, just focus your eyes. You're going to achieve this by yourself. Even if it's hard material, you can try this out. Yeah, because it's simple enough to do. I guess, yes. I know, no. Yes, I know. Not I guess. Okay, guys. I'm back here. So the excess I have after dipping it out from the elastic band, I just what English should I use? I just take it backward like that, and you see the excess there. I just tuck it in, and I'll do the same thing to the other side. Look at how I'm going to do the other side. So just make sure you fold it like, and when you are about to fold it at the back, make sure you raise it a bit up, so at least it will be higher depending on the length of the material, okay guys? So you see I'm just trying to raise it and adjust it and adjust it and adjust it, and make sure that all I needed to touch is being touched. So then I come forward to that my pleat, okay guys? This pleat you can use to make different designs, or you can raise it up if you don't want it like this, but I want to use this tie. So I just take it round and I use my office pin to pin it down. That's the only place I use office pin, and I use rubber band, remember? So that's just it, and here's the outcome, guys. What do you think? Look at the bag, guys. Have you liked, have you shared, have you commented, have you dropped your comments? What do you feel about the head wrap? I heard that to give it a beauty touch, okay? And guys, this is the final look. I'll see you guys in my next video. Like, share, comment.